Most people don't have a money problem. They have a credit structure problem. The crazy part, if you fix this one thing, you can raise your score in the next 30 days without paying anybody, without hiring a repair company. Best of all, no guessing. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down step by step everything you need to run this play and increase your credit score in the next 30 days. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact strategy people are using to remove negatives, boost your profile from 40 up to 120 points. I literally walk into approvals they've been denied for years. Without wasting no time, let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, we're gonna start off with the real reason your credit is not moving. So what y'all need to understand is credit is not emotional. It's pure data points. Lenders not going off of how you're feeling. They're going off of what your profile is telling them. If one data point like a late payment is wrong or a charge off or a collection is lingering on there and you don't know, your score is going to tank tremendously. And this is mainly because the credit bureaus love to recycle old, outdated information that no longer serves your credit report any good. Right now it's pretty much bringing you down. The reason why it's always going to stay on your report is because they never have to remove it off unless you challenge it. You have to challenge these inaccurate things on your credit report in order to get them off, because the credit bureaus, it's not their job to take it off for you. You have to take that action and go do it yourself. You have to go take the information and execute on it yourself in order for the credit bureaus to then abide by your consumer rights. At the end of the day, the lender is gonna deny you for your inaccuracies and not the credit bureau. The credit bureau is owned by somebody you don't even know. So why would you sit back and let a credit bureau, a company that has millions of users daily checking their stuff, why would you let this type of company who knowingly knows they're gonna have inaccuracies, data and everything inaccurate on these reports, and they aren't obligated to fix it? Where do you think that leaves you? Today, you're gonna have to take actions to your own hands, and nobody is gonna do it for you. So if you have inaccurate information like personal information, old addresses, anything tying you to something that's bad, get it removed so you can move forward. Now, the very first step you're gonna need in this strategy is pulling your credit report. I don't want you to be looking for this, looking for that. I know you've probably heard online like, go to Credit Karma, do this. If you don't pull your credit report, your actual 3 bureau credit report, you don't even know what's all on there. Now you looking from Credit Karma, that's outdated, don't update 24/7, out of whack. Then you looking on Experian. Experian only gives you one thing, and then that's not gonna be up to date. You're gonna have to pull your 3 bureau report. How do you pull your 3 bureau report? Let me give you the website where you can go to read your 3 bureau report for where it's as little to no money. 2 main websites you can use to pull your credit report. One of them is gonna be cheaper than the other, but overall monthly they're the same. So it's really not gonna matter. One, you want to go to myfreescorenow.com. You want to enter in your information, verify yourself, your social, your name, your date of birth, etc. All of that, create you an account. They are gonna let you get your 3 bureau report for $1. If you want to continue subscribing to them, I believe it's going to be a $20 subscription every single month, so you're able to see all 3 of your bureaus. It means TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, so you can see every single bureau all at once, so you don't have to go through all these apps, bro. I'm telling you right now, that's one of the reasons why you be so confused when trying to get your credit together, because you already looking at so many apps, and then when it's time to repair it, you already is frustrated and exhausted with searching through all these apps, trying to find all these accounts, trying to find all these dates, trying to match up what mixed with what. You're gonna exhaust yourself before you even send your first dispute. Make it easy on yourself and get myfreescorenow.com or go to smartcredit.com and sign up for the premium, which is $29. I recommend that because it's gonna give you updates that you can refresh every single day and track your progress. So if something falls off or as you fix something, you'll be able to see the progress of that faster. Now, these are the main things you're gonna have to look for when you see these reports. Only look for late payments, collection, charge-offs, high utilization. That means if you have a credit card and you have a $5,000 limit and you're using 4,900, that's high utilization. You're using way too much. If your utilization is over 30% is the average. If it's over 30%, you have some real work to do. You want to be under 10% for utilization, okay? Under 10%. I know 30 is the average, but being under 10% is really want to be. Personal information errors. Like I said before, if your name is wrong, if your date of birth is wrong, if your address, phone number, employee, company is wrong, you have the rights as the consumer to dispute all of that. it is highly suggested that you call the bureau. Call them. Hey, if your name is John Doe, okay, and they have you as John Doe son or John Dobson, that's incorrect. You have to call them and say, hey, you guys, I only go by John Doe. Please remove all other inaccurate names from my credit report immediately. You will see an update on your information within the same day. It will take no more than 24 hours. If you do everything step by step, personal information cleanup, it will take you no more than 24 hours to clean up that information. It's just about doing the work. And to even do the process of cleaning up the information, it takes you no longer than 30 minutes. Just call them on the phone and do it. Duplicate accounts. Duplicate accounts. So if you're seeing like multiple accounts reporting, that's inaccurate information. You're not supposed to have the same account reporting over and over and over and over and over again. So let it be a negative account. And I've seen this heavily with student loans. People have had like multiple like nail net or any type of student loan. It will be reporting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. And this is only one company, one account. They're not supposed to be doing that. And let it have been a negative student loan. Now you have 9 negative accounts on your credit profile because they wanted to give you 9 separate student loan accounts. So we need to be looking into something like what's been going on, why they reporting student loans like that, because they're not supposed to be reporting student loans like that. Y'all took out one student loan, so it should be one account. Accounts with wrong dates. If you have an account and you got one report on Experian of November 11th, 2017, and you got TransUnion reporting December 5th, 2016, and it's the same account number, same balance, that's incorrect. That's liable for you to get removed. It is your consumer right to challenge this accuracy and get this removed from your report, because this probably the account they're reporting on your account, that's not even the right one. So it has to be removed. It has to be removed or updated to what it is correctly. And if it's updated, then the late payment can honestly just get removed, or the negative part of that account can also get removed. So for the next step, after you guys have identified all the negative things affecting your credit report, now it's time to dispute all the negative information off your report. Let me tell you here, and I want you to listen closely. You want to dispute these accounts with accuracy, not emotion. What does that mean? It means you want the bureaus to verify the date opened, the date of last payment, the balance, the payment history accuracy, the validation of the contract. So whether they can even validate the debt within legal time frames. It's not about arguing with the creditors. This is about forcing the bureau to prove the data they're publishing about you. And to find out, most of them cannot. So how do you dispute these negative items off your report? I already told you how to approve your report. Now I'm going to tell you how to dispute these without needing a credit repair company for free. This is what you're going to do. Listen closely. I want you to go register and sign up for the CFPB. I'm going to put it right here. That's the official site. It should be green. You're going to go and submit a complaint, and it's going to prompt you to register yourself for an account. This account is going to allow you to submit disputes directly to the bureaus and also the company that holds the account. I highly recommend you just submit it to the bureaus, because that is who is reporting this information. The bureaus is reporting it to your credit report. So that's who you want to send it to. When you are sending out these disputes on the CFPB, once you've registered and made your account, when you're about to submit a complaint, you want to go to credit reporting for submitting a complaint, and you want to go to inaccurate information that you do not recognize. If you have made your account with the CFPB and you're ready to dispute, make sure you are sending your disputes directly to the credit bureaus, and that's spelled exactly like I have it on the screen. TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. These are the 3 main bureaus that will be reporting anything negatively affecting you on your credit report as of today. And what you want to do is you want to send a copy of your dispute through the CFPB directly to them every single time. That's how you can submit disputes without a credit repair company, without waiting, without paying thousands of dollars. You don't need any of that. I'm being honest with y'all. Y'all don't need any of that. You just need a tablet or a laptop, some Wi-Fi, CFPB, and what are the websites I just told y'all to pull y'all credit report, which is My Free Score Now or Smart Credit Premium. It's so simple. For the next step, what you want to do is you have to be patient. You have to wait. After no later than 30 days, you should be seeing a response. Why? Because they're obligated by law to give you a response within 30 days and also do something about your disputed account. You're gonna see a result from what you did, what you disputed from those negative accounts that you are removing / challenging on your credit report. Also, any negative you have, just know it's gonna fall off if it's not verified within that time frame. If you follow this framework step by step, and you apply this to your credit report, you can fix your credit in 30 days because it's gonna update every single 30 days. They have to give you an update. So if you're doing all of this within that time frame, when it's time to update your report, you will see some great results. I'm telling you, do not procrastinate, do not wait, do not sit around. Do not wait for the right time because I'm telling you, that shit do not exist. You found this video on your own. So if you found this video that tells me you're on the right track, getting your financial literacy in order, and you actually want to create and build generational wealth. Going into 2026, we can't afford to have bad credit. I want to give you step-by-step strategies on how to fix it. And if this video helped you, go ahead, drop a like. And if you actually feel like you need more help fixing your credit, down below is a link to everything you will need in order to fix your credit without needing any company, paying thousands of dollars, waiting, and then contemplating whether or not your credit is ever gonna get repaired. I've been there, I've experienced it. That's exactly why I made this toolkit that's linked down below for you to be able to fix your credit, build it out properly, and get approved for some money for your business if that's what you want. Thank y'all for your time, man. I'm out of here.